Does Bigfoot, the elusive giant of the wilderness, truly walk among us, or is it merely a figment of our collective imaginations? This question has sparked fierce debates, with both believers and skeptics presenting compelling arguments. On one hand, the believers stand firm, pointing to a plethora of eyewitness accounts, footprint findings, and alleged audio recordings as irrefutable proof of Bigfoot's existence. They argue that in the vast expanses of untouched wilderness, it's plausible for a large, elusive creature to remain hidden from human eyes. They also bring to the fore the cultural significance of Bigfoot across different indigenous folklore, suggesting that such widespread beliefs could be rooted in truth. Furthermore, they contend that despite the leaps and bounds in modern technology, there has been no definitive debunking of Bigfoot's existence. The evidence, albeit inconclusive, has not been entirely dismissed, leaving a window ajar for further exploration and study. On the flip side, the skeptics question the reliability of such evidence. They argue that eyewitness accounts can easily be subject to misidentification or even outright hoaxes. They point out that in the absence of clear, verifiable evidence, such as a specimen or indisputable DNA, the existence of this supposed intelligent creature seems improbable. Critics also point to the lack of credible scientific support for Bigfoot's existence. They highlight the fact that in this era of smartphones where high-quality images and videos can be captured at a moment's notice, the failure to obtain a clear image of Bigfoot is telling. The general dismissal of Bigfoot's existence by the scientific community due to the lack of empirical evidence and peer-reviewed studies only bolsters their skepticism. So, where does this leave us? The enigma of Bigfoot remains, fueled by a heady mix of anecdotal accounts, cultural lore, and ambiguous evidence. On one side, enthusiasts continue their relentless pursuit for concrete proof, while skeptics remain steadfast, asserting that the onus of proof rests on those making extraordinary claims. Until undeniable evidence surfaces, the legend of Bigfoot is likely to continue to intrigue us, invite debate, and straddle the line between myth and reality. So, whether Bigfoot truly roams the wilderness or is a mere figment of human imagination, the debate continues to fascinate, polarize, and capture the attention of the world. The enduring mystery of Bigfoot is a testament to our fascination with the unknown, and the quest to unravel this enigma continues unabated.